Hi everyone, it's Joe from WHR Marketing, and today I'm going to take you through one of the best Facebook ads tools that allows you to profit big without spending any money testing ads that don't work. It's called Advertsuite, so let's check this out. In seconds, you'll be able to target audience by age, keywords and competitors. You'll be able to view the results and copy and implement within a matter of seconds. Advertsuite is the first and largest software of its kind to ensure you run Facebook ads that make you money right out the gate. It's that simple. If we look at the stats, 57% of Facebook users say Facebook ads influence their shopping purchases. 78% of American consumers say they've discovered products from Facebook ads, and 28% of users have made a purchase from Facebook ads. That is why Facebook ads is so important in online businesses nowadays, and that's why Advertsuite is going to take you to the next level, because you're going to be able to find these ads that are working, copy them, change them to your style and implement them to make you a lot of money, saving you time in the process. So now we know Facebook ads are so important, but what are some of the problems people face when making Facebook ads? So some people say, how do I even create a Facebook ad? I've heard others say, where do I send the traffic to an opt-in page, a sales page, a webinar? And another question I had the other day, how do I monetize a Facebook ad? And one I had on my Twitter feed, it said, how do I know what audience, interests and countries to target? So all these types of questions, Advertsuite is going to be perfect to answer those. So let's get started with Advertsuite. So if we have a look over here, we've got the Facebook ads on Advertsuite. If you upgrade, you've also got the Instagram ads, the Google ads and the YouTube ads. So I've got those, so I'll briefly take you through those after. Right, so for Facebook ads, it says search mode. What you're going to do is press that, and then you can choose between keywords, advertiser or domain. So if I go to keywords, then click keyword types, I'm going to write something through add text. I'm trying to help people make passive income. So if I type in passive income, we'll search all countries for now. Right, it's brought me up a range of winning ads based on passive income. So if I click there, if I do a search passive income, lots of these are going to have the keywords passive income within the text. They're all going to be to do with passive income. So let's see what we can sort them by. We can use sort by where it's likes, comments, shares, views. So if we go for, we'll go for comments, a highly engaged ad. Let's see if there's anything between 1k and 100k. Alright, so we've got lots from Dan Locke, who's obviously an expert in this field. So 149,000 likes, over 7,000 comments, and 24,000 shares. So how is Advertsuite going to help us? So whether it's passive income, whatever your niche is, whether it's an e-commerce store to do with a certain niche, okay, you can type that keyword in. That's going to help you find the winning ads in your niche or your chosen area. So over here we can see some of the wording used. Free controversial book. I can copy and paste that and make my own ad and change it to my own style. Okay, we can check the video out so we can see how Dan Locke has used that video to help him engage with his audience. Then we can also see the landing page where it takes us to. So if I click here, see details of this ad. Right, we have the landing page image here. So Dan Locke is trying to take you to one of his ebooks, okay, or his books to download. Okay, so again, Advertsuite's very useful because you've got all of the ad copy there. You've got the video, so you can watch that, We'll watch a few seconds. I've turned the sound down. So you can try and see why that video was successful. And we've got the landing page, as you can see there. So if I click URL, that takes me exactly to the landing page. So we can even see why this landing page is so successful. Okay, so obviously you can do that in your own time. Have a look through the landing page of your specific advert. Down here we have key demographics. So we know that Dan Lok has targeted America. 100% of this advert is based in America, and the age group he's targeted is 18 to 20 year olds. So with a free controversial book, he's targeted the younger audience who are probably interested in passive income but don't currently have the income for some of Dan Lok's more high ticket courses. So as you can see, Advertsuite is very useful for finding highly engaging targeted ads. It's got your ad copy for you, which you can copy, change to your own style though. I will always say that. Don't just copy Dan Lok's, because you've got your own style. Okay, look at the video. Can you mimic parts? Can you again put it to your own style? And then check the landing page. See what a successful landing page is and mimic as much as you can, but again to your style. So that's the Facebook ads. You can also, with the upgrade on Advertsuite, you can see Instagram ads. So again, you can search by keywords. We'll do that one again, passive income, just to see what we get on Instagram. Again, I'm not going to go through this. You can do that yourself when you buy Advertsuite. Same works for Google. Passive income. There we go, we've got a Google ad right there. Again, if you're using Google ads, you can copy that system too. And YouTube ads. Let's see what we've got for passive income on there. Very useful for your own research in your niche as well. There we go. What is affiliate marketing? How to make a full-time income online for beginners. So you might want to check some of those videos out. The demographics that they're targeting. Have a watch of the videos. See what they're doing. Can you learn from some of these entrepreneurs? Have a look. There's the countries they're targeting. They've split it 4 ways between US, Canada, France and the UK. Okay, we've got the landing page again. Okay, so much information on Advertsuite. So I cannot stress to you how helpful Advertsuite's been for me personally, because I've used some of the text and made them my own when I'm using my paid for ads. I've looked at the demographics. Okay, I've targeted similar demographics. Again, I would stress, don't just copy. You're going to have to do your own research on top, but this will save you a hell of a lot of time. What I want to know in the comment section, what is the best Facebook ads tool you've used? Please like, subscribe and share the channel. In the description, I've put an exclusive discount for you, so get it while it lasts. I've also put my free passive income book, so you can have a look at that. That's completely free. I will not upsell you for that. I'm Joe from WHR Marketing. See you next time.